Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best skincare kit for women, the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Hydrated Ever After Skincare Mini Kit. This set is designed to provide a complete hydration regimen with everything your skin needs to feel nourished, soft, and supple. The kit includes a daily cleanser, a makeup melting cleansing balm, hydrating booster drops, a face cream, and an eye cream, all in convenient, travel-friendly sizes. Whether you're at home or on the go, this mini kit has you covered with its full skincare routine. What makes this kit stand out is its powerful blend of key ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides. Hyaluronic acid is renowned for its ability to deeply hydrate and plump the skin, helping to reduce dryness and fine lines. Ceramides play a crucial role in restoring and protecting your skin's natural moisture barrier, ensuring long-lasting hydration. Peptides contribute to a refreshed complexion by promoting skin firmness and elasticity. The daily cleanser gently removes impurities without stripping the skin, making it perfect for daily use. If you wear makeup, the Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm effortlessly dissolves even the toughest products while leaving your skin nourished. After cleansing, the Hydrating Booster Drops deliver an extra boost of moisture with a lightweight formula that absorbs quickly. The face cream is a rich yet non-greasy moisturizer infused with niacinamide, squalane, and vitamin B5, all of which help to nourish and plump the skin while soothing any irritation. Finally, the eye cream targets the delicate under-eye area to minimize dark circles and provide refreshing hydration. Another great aspect of this kit is that it is 100% vegan and cruelty-free, certified by both Leaping Bunny and PETA. This means you can feel good about using these products knowing no animals were harmed in their creation. The compact sizes make it ideal for travel or for anyone who prefers a minimalist skincare routine without compromising on quality or effectiveness. The entire set fits easily into your bag, making it perfect for maintaining your skincare routine anywhere, anytime. In summary, the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Hydrated Ever After Skincare Mini Kit is a thoughtfully curated set that addresses dryness, dullness, and the need for gentle yet effective hydration. With its blend of science-backed ingredients and practical packaging, it's a fantastic choice for women seeking to keep their skin healthy, glowing, and well moisturized. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews on the best products out there.